Hello, this is Tom with the Tractor Rescue Ranch. We're finally starting to get a little bit of snow around here. Anyway, I went to town this morning and bought one of those magnetic heaters. I'm going to put this on this oil pan here and plug it in and just see if it's going to make any difference. I'm gonna just leave that on and go eat some lunch. We'll see if it changes anything. So anyway, it's a warm day out here. We always get, when we get a snowstorm in here, it blows that temperature inversion out of here and warmer. It's probably about 32 degrees for what I seen on the thermometer, but I'm gonna, so 27 degrees, 28 degrees on that engine block. So it looks like 28 degrees as well down on the oil pan. So that's pretty consistent. So anyway, I'll leave that for an hour or so while I go get some lunch, and then I'm going to come out here and plow a little snow and get some sawmilling done. Okay, let's see, it's been probably about an hour since I put that heater on there. Yeah, it's come up to 31. I've gained, what, 3 degrees? I think it was 28 if I remember right. So that's not very good results. Yeah, we're still 28 up here on the block. So if that's going to help any, it's going to take more than an hour to warm things up. As warm as it is out here, this thing will start, so I'm going to just fire it up and start milling. Apologize for that wind. I hope it's not too bad in the mic. boy, that was a good day at the sawmill. A good afternoon, I should say. I didn't work at all in the morning. But anyway, I milled out 5 2x4s, and I've got 18 2x6s. So I think that's the best day I've had yet as far as production. That old mill is just working great, cutting real good. I'm surprised, constantly surprised at how much waste there is. Anyway, also I did 6 or 8 1-bys that I set aside up there. So anyway, appreciate you guys watching, and please like and subscribe.